Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by editing the activity entry in Android Manifest. XML so the system knows which screen goes full screen. Add a no action bar theme or plan to set window flags at runtime. This lets you remove the status bar visually. Once done, make sure your app's min SDK and target SDK support immersive flags if you will use them. Now launch the app to the activity you modified so you can test changes immediately and iterate quickly. Now implement the hiding logic in your activity or fragment. For API 30 and above, use Window Insets controller to hide status bars and enable immersive sticky. For older APIs, set System UI flag full screen and System UI flag immersive sticky. Also call window. Set decor fits system windows, false, so your layout draws behind the bar. This prevents layout jumps. Once implemented, adjust paddings or insets listeners. To finish, test thoroughly across device manufacturers and Android versions because OEM skins can behave differently. Make sure status bar reappears correctly on input focus or when the user swipes system gestures. If not, restore visibility on resume or input event callbacks. If hiding fails, check for overlays, draw over other apps, navigation gesture conflicts, or restrictive OEM settings. Disabling overlays or adjusting flags often resolves this. If problems persist, revert to a theme-based approach and compare behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.